social media was woo. Today we got another one. We got another special selection. I'm only really showing you guys this because I feel as though this is like one of my best sellers because, you know, offline people have been wanting these sneakers. I have a pair of them myself, and we're just gonna go ahead and jump right into it, man. We're not even gonna play around because, you know, y'all been here. Another one, y'all. Louis Vuittons is basically killing it right now. Like, people really like the Louis Vuittons, man. Not gonna lie, and they're comfortable. I'm not gonna hold you. They're comfortable as hell. You can feel the gel and all that in there. Like, it feel good, it feel good. I ain't gonna lie. Let's look at the contents first. You already know. This is literally my first time busting this box because I know what's inside. So literally, I just literally busting these boxes now. So you already know, comes with the Louis Vuitton wrap. And look at the contents right there. Okay, straight up. And here you're getting extra shoelaces with this one. Okay, getting extra shoelaces, getting, you know, the book, getting the card. Okay. We're just gonna go ahead and jump right into the sneaker and see which one it is. We already know how we do. Shout out to my guy Stedman, man, supporting the movement. Here you go. Ooh, these are fire. I'm not gonna lie. Y'all already seen these already in blue. I got them in blue already, but these is fire. The black look nice. I'm not gonna lie. You can check all the details, like right here on the front, just like the blue ones. But we're gonna talk about this one. Forget the blue ones, right? Right here we have the logos right here on the front indented, and then again we have the logos indented right here on the side, and also right here on the side as well. And if you take notice, you have the Louis Vuitton, not logo, but you know, it says Vuitton right here, and also says Vuitton right here with the logo on the back. Now that's dope. And you already know it comes with the classic 3 logos right here on the side. And then we're going to go ahead and take a look at the bottom. Boom. That's how the bottom is looking. The bottom is nice and clean, man. I ain't going to lie, man. This one look clean. This one look nice and clean. You know, you got the, you know, the sizes and stuff like that in here. It's a really good shoe. You know, give it a real good press. See what I'm saying? Now that's good material. Okay. Okay, guys, none of that fluffy stuff. All right, guys. This is really good. This is a really good sneaker right here. Pull these out. Or we could do that for the other shoe. All right, guys. So yeah, we got the all black Louis Vuitton, the black and whites. I'm showing you these because somebody basically bought them already, and I didn't really get to show you guys the black ones because I have the blue ones. So basically, you know, we're gonna keep it real simple and easy with this one, with this video. I'm not gonna go too much into it because we already did this sneaker already. We did the blue ones. All right, it's just a different color. I mean, if you want to go see the whole thing, go watch the other video. That's what I'm gonna say right there. All right. Yeah, man. These $1,200 to $1,400 in the store, guys. On the Boss Exclusive. Create your profile. You know what I'm saying? When you get redirected to realbossconnect.com, create your profile and start dropping your sneakers, guys. Start dropping your sneakers. You know, support me and I'll hook you up. You know, that's how that go. That's how that go. I want to be y'all supplier, man. I want to be y'all supplier. I'm working hard, putting this all together, man. Share this video, like this video, tell your friends about the video, all that, man. Everything in one. All right, that's how we doing, baby. This is Bossed Up Exclusive, man, and we taking it to the next level, man. Just show me some love, show some support. Like the video, man. Share the video. Tell your friends about the video. Comment below. What kind of sneakers would you like to see? What you think about the sneaker? You know what I mean? What you think about this sneaker right here? It's a dope sneaker. All right, let's build some dialogue and get to the next level. Homeboy was clowning me because I had a my YouTube channel like 8 years old, and I ain't got really no subs. I wasn't on it. I'm on it now, so show me some love so we can get it up, get them numbers up. Boss up, or continue to get bossed around, because you know I'm bossed full of the good life already. Peace.